So many people are always worried. They always worry. Even the worrying has, if you look at their face, you can see wrinkles. They worry about their children, they worry about their father, they worry about their wife, they worry about everything. If they don't know anything to worry again, they will remember what somebody told them, maybe probably in the church, and they'll start worrying about that thing. Some people are living a worrisome life. Their life is full of worry. They are carrying a load of worry. So you need to bring down the load. If you're going to live a soft life, you must say no to worry. He said, do not be anxious for nothing. He said, but in everything, with prayer and supplication, with thanksgiving, let your requests be made known unto God. Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Fitness. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 steps to walk into soft life and make it your daily experience. So in this video, it's a kind of video you would like to watch. Kindly give the channel a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So quickly, let's get into it. So now you need to know that soft life is your best right. Yes, soft life is your best life, is your best right. So you must desire soft life. So we're going to define what is soft life. Now I'm going to be reading from my book. A soft life is a life that is void of hustle and stress and everything that comes with it. Soft life is living from a place of peace while prioritizing peace and happiness. Soft life is a life of ease, calm, realization, peace, and enjoyment. So we are still defining soft life. Soft life is a life that gives you full attention to yourself and are intentional about creating an atmosphere of stress-free living. The truth is that you can live a soft life. I mean, when you study the Bible goes in details about soft life. When the Bible says that you should be anxious for nothing, it said, but in everything, with prayer and supplication, let your request be made known unto God. He's talking about soft life. Soft life is a life without stress. He said, be anxious for nothing. So you can actually live a soft life because this is God's plan for you. He wants you to live a soft life. So today we're going to go into the 10 steps to walk into the soft life and make it your daily experience. The number one here I have in my list here is stop moving and do analysis of your journey so far. See, sometimes you need to stop and evaluate yourself. The Bible says you examine yourself. You need to stop and look into your life and ask yourself some questions. And ask yourself, what did I do? Did that brought me to where I am today? Yes, because I believe that success is measured at different phases of life. Success is not measured when your life ended. You can measure your success at every phase of your life. You can measure to find out whether you are successful or not. So you need to pause and evaluate yourself. What did I did that brought me to where I am? Ask yourself, if I continue moving the way I'm moving, can I get to my destination? It's very important to stop and ask yourself some questions. Did I have what it takes to get to where I want to get? The second one is lighten your load and let go of unnecessary burden. Yes, so many people are always worried. They always worry. Even the worrying has, if you look at their face, you can see wrinkles on their face because of worry. They worry about their children, they worry about their father, they worry about their wife, they worry about everything. If they don't know anything to worry again, they will remember what somebody told them, maybe probably in the church, and they'll start worrying about that thing. Some people are living a worrisome life. Their life is full of worry. They are carrying a load of worry. So you need to bring down the load. If you're going to live a soft life, you must say no to worry. He said, do not be anxious for nothing. He said, but in everything, with prayer and supplication, with thanksgiving, let your request be made known unto God. So the next one here is, which is the third one, make up your mind to stop stressing over people and over unnecessary things. Some people are worrying about people's opinion about them, people's expectation of them. They are worrying about what people are saying about them. What is the societal expectation of me? Like some women that maybe you have clocked 30 and you're not married, they are worried about the societal expectation of them. And society said once you reach 30, you should marry, by now you should marry. So people, they are, unnecessary worries. And if you continue like this, soft life is not for you. You're not going to live a soft life. So make up your mind that you're going to drop this load. Drop it. Drop it. The next one here is slow down. You need to learn how to take life on a slower pace. Yes, life is a process. This life we are seeing is a process. You don't rush the process. You enjoy the process. Don't rush it. Enjoy the journey. Relish the moment. Know that every moment is taking you to the next moment. Yes, life is a journey and you will get to your destination. Life is like a movie. That is like a movie. So enjoy the process, enjoy the movie, knowing that once you get to your destination, the movie has ended. So you must enjoy, take life on a slower pace. Are you a student? You must make every day count. Be intentional about each day. What do you want to achieve each day? It's only human being that is in a haste. Life is not in a haste. Like I told you earlier, that life is a process. Learn to schedule your day. Okay, the next one here is maintain your focus while you are moving. See, you don't need to stop to listen to every dog that barks. Keep moving. The truth is that on your journey towards your greatness, you attract a lot of critics. True, but you don't own them anything. Keep moving. My pastor have a saying, I say, don't look around. Say, be focused. Those things that God has told you to do, focus on it and be doing it. Don't be looking around to see who is doing better than you and who is not doing better. Focus and keep moving. Protect your peace. Yes, protect your peace. See, Jesus Christ said, He said, my peace I give you. He said, I give you my peace. So your peace is very important. Protect your peace. Don't be involved in an unnecessary quarrel, fight, and drama. Avoid it. You don't need it. Protect your peace. See, if you're going to live a soft life, you must protect your peace. It's very important you protect your peace. So the next one here, only use your energy for the things that are absolutely important. Mind your own business. You must learn how to mind your own business. Yes, mind your own business. Don't be involved. You're always involved in gossip. You're always gossiping. Mind your own business. That energy you're using to stop and be gossiping, you can use it and do something good for yourself. You can use it and learn something online. You can use it and improve yourself. So mind your own business. Find a way to make your life easy every day. You can do that. Remember, we're still talking about soft life. You can make your life easy every day. Say no to stressful life. Yes, there's so many tasks that you're handling that you can delegate. Must you be the one to do all of them? You want to finish all of them. Even when you know you are too tired, you can't delegate. Maybe you came back from work, you are very tired. You want to still enter the kitchen. You want to cook the food. You are tired. You know you are tired. You can order for something as you're coming to the house, knowing that you're very tired. So I want you to be conscious of soft life. Yes, yes. You can do something for yourself. You can go on a vacation. You can take yourself out, go on a vacation.